God damn, they taxing my ass, bro. Fuck. Anyways, what's the deal, YouTube? It's Athletic back again with another video, nigga. You already know the deal. It's cold as fuck outside. We in a big Jeep truck, nigga. Come on now. We about to do a little POV drive around the city real quick. I'm just throwing 20 in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Just ran out of gas, just left the gym. So we about to get active with a little POV drive for y'all little niggas. Woo! Cold as fuck. Hold on, let me open the door, get a little start up for y'all. It's starting to snow too. God damn, it's cold as fuck. It is cold as shit. Alright. Turn the music off since I don't want to get motherfucking, what do you call it? I don't even know what you call it, but I don't want to get shadow banned or whatever. Oh. It would have been a lot easier if I had my fucking tripod on me. But anyways, this is my 2015 SRT Grand Cherokee with 170,000 miles. I'm just playing. This bitch got like 120 with a new motor, new transfer case. So this bitch basically a 2023. Put that bitch in sport mode. I ain't gonna lie, I think I got like a little fucking heat shield that's rattling in this bitch or something. Cause I'm hearing a little bit of rattling in the engine bay when I like take off. A little bit of crackle pop. Maybe I should buckle up so that dinging ain't fucking in my ear. A little bit of cabin noise, but you know, I got what do I have? What kind of exhaust do I got? I got like stock exhaust with a Borla, not a Borla. What the fuck is my X pipe? My X pipe is a let's say it's a Borla. I got a Borla X pipe with cutouts, as you could see in the beginning of the video. And that's it. Literally fucking. So I mean, basically, it's a straight pipe when I open my cutouts, but yeah, it's pretty much stock exhaust. If I'm being honest with ya. But these things come so quiet from the factory, like X pipe and you know a muffler delete really like livens the SRT Jeep up. I don't know why they made them so quiet from the factory, but it is what it is. This thing is quick though, bro. This thing is quick as fuck for a big ass hunk of metal. 5,000 pounds, I think it is. Something like that. Honestly, I'm about to turn back around. Where's the entrance for this fucking... Did I miss it? These fucking tents are so dark. No, it's right here. For this little park. This little park that has no lights in this bitch. I love that it's fucking... What time is it right now? It's almost 1 a.m. 12:46. And I'm just fucking cooking through the streets. Not cooking, but like, you know. It's in third gear. Honestly, bro, the interior is held up very well in this car. I have had people fucking my shit up, and it is very easy to clean. Like, and I keep my car fucking clean as fuck. But like every time someone gets in my car, I'm cleaning up behind them. I got WeatherTech floor mats. You know, I got a subsystem too. I'm gonna show you guys a subsystem once I get back to the gas station. Feel me? By the way, we're in Mexico right now too, bro. We are in Mexico. Feel me? So, you know, I shipped my shit to Mexico City, and you know, actually no, we're not in Mexico. We're on the Autobahn. We are on the Autobahn, and we are fucking shit up on the Autobahn. Feel me? Yeah, I got the full moonroof. I'll show you guys more once I get back to the gas station. There's barely any gas stations out here on the Autobahn, bro. Like, fuck. It takes so long to get there, bro. Wink, wink. But honestly, bro, like the suspension and the handling on these things is prime, bro. Fucking, I'm looking, you know, I want to replace this thing soon with something faster with like, you know, even better handling and better suspension. But, you know, I've been looking at some different cars. You feel me? But I kind of want to keep it a secret from you guys. You know, just because, like, I don't want anybody, you feel me, praying on my downfall and shit. You know what I'm saying? But, hold on, let me hop out this bitch. The only thing, bro, never mind. I ain't gonna lie, I fucking bumper tap somebody at the fucking casino and scratch my shit up crazy. I gotta get that shit fixed, but other than that, this bitch is brand new spanking, nigga. Type shit. That bitch. I need my shit braided again. But yeah, anyways, this is my 2015 SRT, little POV drive. You feel me? I appreciate y'all for liking the video. or if you do like the video, like, subscribe, all that shit. You know, let me know in the comments. Leave some reviews or whatever in the comments. You feel me? But yeah, until next time. Hold on. Follow the socials also. Instagram, TikTok, maybe Snapchat. I'ma probably start doing Snapchat too. You feel me? Yeah, though, this is the start of, you feel me, some big shit. I'm about to start doing a lot of this car shit. A lot more of this car shit. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see, you know, some new whips coming to the channel and shit, bro. You feel me? So just stay tuned. I'll give you guys some sneak peeks of, you know, what I'm thinking about replacing the SRT with. It's not a Trackhawk. It could be a Durango, potentially. You know, I've potentially been looking at the Durangos. I've been looking at the RSQ8s. You know, oh shit, it's a fucking Fettarelli. That's a fucking Fettarelli. This nigga's got his fucking stoplight. He's got his fucking, like his big ass spotlight on. Riding down, he might be looking for somebody or something. Might be looking for my ass, fuck. But you know, I've been looking at the RSQ8s, bro. I've been looking at X5s, X6s. You know, leave some reviews in the comments on what you guys think that I should grab next. I for sure got a G80 in the future coming to the channel. So, you know, but I need, that's, you know, that's probably going to be more so of like a track car that I take to the track and shit. I really want a car that, you know, like I want to replace the SRT Jeep with like another SUV. So, you know, give me some ideas in the comments what you guys think I should grab. You know, I ain't got no budget, you feel me? So just let me know. You know, I got some big things coming this 2025. So you feel me? Tap in, leave some reviews in the comments and shit, and you know, until next time.